Hello everybody. So today I will talk about finance. The topic today is about portfolio. So now I will show you how to answer. Stock A has an expected return of 5% and a standard deviation of 9%. Stock B has an expected return of 8% and a standard deviation of 12%. Stock A and B's returns are perfectly negatively correlated. So we have negative number 1. You want to invest 1,000 in a portfolio that consists of stock A and B. Should that your portfolio has zero risk? How much of your money in dollars will you invest in stock B? So now I will show you how to answer. We know that your portfolio has zero risk, so the standard deviation of portfolio equals to number 0. And we know that the formula of this one, that should be about the square root. So I will put about standard deviation of stock A, and we put the power 2 in here, and the weighted average of stock A, and we have the power 2. We use about standard deviation of stock B. I will put the power 2, weighted average of stock B. We put the power 2 in here, plus 2, and we have weighted average of stock A, stock B. Then we have standard deviation of stock A, stock B, and we multiply by correlated. That's about this one in here. Now, because they want to invest in stock B, so I will put about weighted average of stock B is about S. So about A, that should be about 1 minus S. Number 1 in here represent about 100%. So if we find this one, we can find about A in here. Now, we know that this one in here is about 0. So I will cancel about the square root, because if you put number 0 in here, everything in here should be equal to number 0 inside the square root. Now the standard deviation of A, we know that's about 9%. And we put the power 2 in here. And weighted average of stock A, that's about 1 minus S. And we put the power 2 in here. Standard deviation of B, we know that's about 12. So we put about the power 2, S with the power 2. Now this one, that's about this one in here. And this one, we have the number, that's 9%, 12%, and negative number 1. Now, we need to calculate this number in here to find the value of S. So if we look carefully, this is about A square plus B square minus 2AB. This is about identity. So this is about A, 9 multiplied by 1 minus S. B is about 12% multiplied by S. So if we look carefully about this one, we can convert this one into A minus B to the power of 2. So A, that's about 9% multiplied by 1 minus S. and B, that's about 12% multiplied by S. Everything to the power of 2 equals to number 0. Now we need to find the value of this one. So 9% multiplied by number 1 and negative S. So this number in here, put on the right negative 9 with negative 12, you got about negative number 21% S equals to negative 9%. So we divide both sides by negative number 21%. And we have the final answer. That is about 0.429. This is about the weighted average of B. Now we have 1000. We multiply with WB in here. So we can find the total value to invest about stock B. That's about 429 US dollars. And the final answer is about B. This is the end. Thank you for watching.